Hi, Jez here, nigezza.co.uk, and look what I've got. It's the new catalogue. Quite excited. I have had an electronic version of this for a week and a half now, and but this is my first time actually having the physical thing. It makes so much difference, I think, to have the actual thing. Can't show you any more than that, but I can show you what I ordered from it. So this is not a tutorial, this is just me showing you what I've got. I did a Facebook Live, my first ever, where I actually opened the box on camera sideways, because that's just the way it happened. Anyway, oh, dirty mat. So I didn't buy much, I didn't go completely potty. I just wanted to get a few bits to get some tutorials out there ready for September when it goes live. And so this is what I got. Right, so my first bundle, there are I think 14 bundles altogether in the catalogue. So this is Peaceful Noel stamp set and punch that can be bought in a bundle with, so that gives you 10% off. There is some absolutely stunning paper that goes with this, but I didn't buy it. I just bought this for now. So this is a photopolymer stamp set. I like photopolymer because you can see through it and it makes it easier for stamping, I think. So lovely sort of watercolor blot, whatever there. Thought that would be good. Lots and lots of two-step stamping here for holly and berries and these sort of foliage, and then this punch, which I've got a bit of a scrap here. Don't know that scrap is actually big enough. Not quite. I can do a bit. Not quite, but done a bit. So it's sort of, I don't know if that's actually mistletoe, but just team it up there with the stamps and you've got a nice little wreath going on there. I've seen some fun things with this, which I may well replicate. So yes, so that's the Peaceful Noel. Very nice sentiments there that I will be using. Okay, the next bundle that I bought is the Tags and Tidings bundle. Now this I'm super excited about. I really am. When I first, this was me. I looked at it and this was the first thing that jumped out on me, and I just thought, oh, I've got to have that. It looks amazing. So what you've got is tags, as you can imagine. But what is amazing about this is it is just one stamp. So you stamp all of those tags in one go. Okay, and stamp them out. I imagine stamping them out, say in black or green or red. It gives you all those lovely outlines. So they're not all Christmas. You've got to and from there. That could be for anything. Enjoy could be for anything. What else? Thank you there. You've got a bow. You've got a present there. Warm wishes, again, could be for anything. You've got do not open till Christmas, naughty and nice, no peeking, Christmas greetings for you, and ho ho ho. So lots and lots of variety there. But once you've stamped them out, you can then colour them, and then of course you've got to cut them out. So how are you going to cut them out? You're going to cut them out with this amazing die, which cuts them all out in one go. So, oh, that very nearly went down the back of my cupboard. So once you've stamped them on your page, this then lines up perfectly with your stamped image. One run through your big shot and you've got them all, 16 elements if I counted correctly last time. And you can, of course this will only say one, won't it, because it's one die. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, yeah, 16. 16 elements there that you can cut out and create lots of lovely tags. And I'll be doing that as soon as I turn this camera off from this little show and tell. Okay, now the other stamp set that I've got that jumped out on me that I thought I've got to have is this one. This is the Flourish Filigree, and that is beautiful. That goes with the Pretty Label Punch, so that in itself was one of the things that attracted me to it. You've got sentiments that might not necessarily be Christmas, but that just stunning. That's going to make lovely focal points there. Beautiful. So this is rubber, red rubber. So yeah, so I can't wait to use that as well. And then I just bought one embellishment, and that was the glimmer paper. And this is the new glimmer paper. It's 6x6 and it comes in 3 colours. We've got copper, we've got red, but I think it's Merry Merlot, and we've got green, which is Tranquil Tide. But look, how stunning are they going to be for the festive season? Just beautiful. So can't wait to use those. You get, I think it's 8 sheets of each colour. Yeah, because you get 24 altogether. So you get 8 in the copper, 8 in the red, and 8 in the green. Just gorgeous. Can't wait to use that. All right, so that is what I bought. Very modest little delivery. Got a bit of a wish list going on. Got a little bit of a free shopping list ready for September, because I've been buying in the bonus days, so I've got quite a few £4.50 vouchers ready to get some of the other stuff in here, plus I've got some freebies waiting for me as rewards from my upline. So there is more in there that I will be buying. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that quick little preview. If you want a copy of this catalogue and you don't have a Stampin' Up demonstrator, then I would be more than happy to send you one free. I'll be sending them out towards the end of the month. So if you just click below on the link to my blog, and you can fill in the contact sheet there to ask me for one, or pop over to my Facebook page and message me. Okay, so link below. See you again soon.